cool, right, Ashley?
Yep.
I just want to watch them in person. Oh, there's some down.
I'm not actually going to think they are.
Whoa, that was so cool. Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Some of me can't actually see on camera though.
I know.
All the way. I can't exactly find them. Oh, there's some.
Detail Lane. Can you see them from back there?
A
No?
little bit. You can see them on the dip, but you guys got a better view right here.
Okay.
Oh, yeah,
I'm just
that's
gonna watch.
nice here.
Hi! The fireworks are really cool.
This is hard holding up the camera.
That's why I stopped. Raise your hands.
Tell me. Humble. Yeah, I'm not telling a lot. That's a police car.
Dude, that's gonna fall off.
Police. Ooh.
Independence Day music.
Are you watching them?
Illuminati.
Illuminati.
It looks like Illuminati.
And I hate the Illuminati. I didn't see it, so I'm glad.
Well, I saw it was like a triangle, but it wasn't green, so that was a good thing.
Are you cold town?
No.
We should go to that side.
They look so awesome in person. I'm sad that I'm recording this.
Well, I could still
I want to
see
see
him.
them in person.